Good morning, guys. It is late March, about March 29th. Today is going to be the well digging day. Super excited. They're going to bring in the truck and do the whole thing, so we're going to see how it goes today. Alright guys, I'm here with Tyler from Smith's Well Drilling. Tyler kind of share with us a little bit like what's going to happen today.
I warned you, I'm not a good interview. Basically, we're just setting off the drill, start with a 8-inch, or actually almost 10-inch hole, drill down through that right till we hit bedrock, set our casing, steel pipe that goes down into it, possibly between 200 to 300 feet, somewhere in there. That
brings up a good point. A lot of us think when we're doing a well, you dig down and eventually you go through the earth and you hit this vast valley of like water. But it's not really like that, right?
No. In this area, it's not. It's tiny, stacks of paper, and the little gaps in between is what we're going to get water out of it.
Awesome. Well, thanks so much, man. I wish that get started.
Okay.
Yeah, good luck. Well, we tried to drill for about 6 hours now, and unfortunately we didn't get enough pressure. So we only got about 1 gallon per minute, and our goal is to get to about 2 to 3 gallons per minute. We're down to about 320 feet. We're going to continue tomorrow, then we're going to consider doing fracking. So that's the update for now. It's kind of a bummer that we can't get it all done one day, but you know, what can you do, right? So tomorrow, fingers crossed, we'll do one more shot and hopefully we'll get water then. Good morning, guys. This is day 2 of the well drilling getaway. It's a little loud right now because the truck is right next to me. The plan for today is they're going to take out the pipes that are in the well right now, and they're going to remove all those pipes back out that was there yesterday, and then they're going to bring in a water kind of system where they fill up the hole with water, seal it up with a rubber gasket, and then put a lot of pressure into it. This is called fracking. I actually didn't know this is what fracking meant. I always thought fracking had a lot of like hammering involved, really loud, things like that. But basically, this is all water pressure. We're going to put the water in there, pressurize it, and then help expand it, not just downward, but all around, in hopes that we can get some water. If that doesn't work, then we're going to have to probably drill deeper. If that doesn't work, worst case scenario is we're going to have to try a different spot. Of course, that will be more costly because that means I have to do it 2 times rather than just 1 time. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed that it's going to work out okay.
5 minutes later.
All right, so I was away running an errand. Apparently everything's done while I was away.
Simple way to put it, we plug the well and then force water down at high volume, high pressure until the well takes it, basically. And then with this one, it didn't take much. It only took about 800 gallons, 900 gallons. And it builds up a pressure. It takes a certain amount of pressure. We force it in there, and then it took about 500 psi on this one, which is low, but good. And then it all of a sudden it took it. The thing's making 8 gallons a minute. It's nice, clean water, no smell. It's good. So.
And the normal gallon per minute rate, a minimum at least by code, is like 3. You said, or
well,
2, 3?
County average is 2 or 3.
So it's 320 feet down.
Yep.
And how high is the water? You said.
I think it's around 30, 40 feet, 280 feet of standing water in there, which is roughly 430 gallons, something like that, just in storage. So you got that. That's plus awesome. The flow coming in, you got more water.
So if you sip it with a straw, you'll never run out.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Next thing you'll do is put the pump in. You know, we'll set it up however it's going to suit you best. Then you'll be good to go. So.
Okay, awesome. I think that's it. So thanks so much.
Yeah,
really
no
appreciate
problem.
it.
Yeah.
All right, guys. I am super excited. The well is finally done. It was quite the roller coaster. It took us 2 days to actually get it all done, but now it's finished. So we're going to do our inaugurating rock drop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up, drop a rock in it, and every second that it goes down before it hits water, It's about 20 feet of depth. I'm gonna pick up a rock. It's supposed to be something small. Why is there no small rock? And you can lift this up. So let's do this. So let's see how long it takes, or how many seconds it takes to drop down into water. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, I hope that picked it up. That was about maybe like 3 seconds. So maybe about 50, 60 feet of depth. Well, that's it for now, guys. Thanks for joining me with getting my well in place. Stay tuned. The next thing we're going to cover is something I'm really excited for, and that's going to be this. We'll see what that is in the next episode. See ya.